sunscreen, obviously. Don't forget the cooler. Yeah, it's just right there. Let's pack our phones. Of course, bathing suits for the girls. These are cute. We'll change there. Towels. Oh. Okay. Some of these, the kids may go swimming. We have pool toys over here. Going to the beach. Okay. We don't want to disturb anyone, so I don't think we should bring water guns. Ah, yes, mats. Let's bring the tripod just to record some, like, cute moments. Because we don't, yeah. Here, please carry this. Alright, should we start telling the kids we're about to leave? Yeah. Okay. Actually, let's put everything in the elevator. Wait, I think we forgot some things. Let's see. Oh, shoot. Pick out some bathing suits for the girls. This will be Clarabelle's. By the way, guys, if there's any, like, noises, that's just me moving or, like, yeah. I'm also watching a movie, so just ignore any sounds. Just this before. Okay, I picked out all the bathing suits. I just need to grab the sunglasses. Oops. Okay. Let's grab that. These sunglasses. I'll actually wear these. Okay. Yeah, that should be good. Let me tell the kids that we're about to leave. Okay. Hey, honey. Oh, hey, Mom. We're about to leave to go to the beach. Oh, okay. Do you know what time it is? Don't bother grabbing your phone. You don't need it. Okay. It should be like 9 a.m. Oh, okay. We need to go get the girls. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey, girls. Oh, hey, Mommy. Hey, we're gonna go to the beach. Oh, okay. Here. Just go in the elevator. What about our bathing suits? We're gonna probably change, like, there. Okay. Hey, Clarabelle. Hey, Mom. We're going to the beach now. Do you want to come? Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna tell Arya we're going now. Okay. Hey, Arya. Oh, hey, Mom. Are we leaving? Yes. Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay, so older kids, I'll need help carrying things. Oh, man. Yes, whatever. You three older ones, I have no idea what you're wearing. You might want to go change. Oh, actually, take your siblings. Take Maddie to change too. Okay, Mom. Okay. Okay, Maddie. Let's see, what beach outfit do you want to wear? How about this? And, this dress is pretty. Here, why don't you change? Here you go. Oh, hi, Madeline. Hi. Are you gonna change too? Yeah. Okay. How about this? And this is a pretty dress. Okay. You guys can go back down. Okay. Well, I have a bunch of beach outfits. So I'll wear this and this. Boom. Okay. It's gonna be hard for me to choose what I want to wear. Actually, I'll just wear something of Arya's. She won't mind. We take each other's clothes all the time. Okay, this looks fine. I'll just go back into my room. Hey, Aria, by the way, I took one of your outfits. Oh, that's okay. By the way, guys, instead of posting every day, I might change it to posting every other day. So, yeah. Okay, what do I wear? Oh, I see what I want to wear. This is fine. Okay, I guess I gotta go down. Alright. Finally, you guys are wearing appropriate outfits for the beach. Let me see. Ooh, you guys look great. Okay, older kids, please help carry the stuff. Ugh. Oops. Hey, why do you guys get to bring your phones? Because we're adults? Whatever. I'll just carry these goggles. Cooler. I'll wear these. They're cute. You only wear things because they're cute. Shut up. Hey. Sorry. I'll take this. Okay, are we ready to go? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait. We can bring this bag. We can put some things in it. Okay. Like just some other things. That can be like things that we need out. Oops. Okay, so I have like toys and stuff in here while there's like phones and mats in there. So yeah. Okay, please someone carry this. Here you go. Alright, let's actually leave now. Okay, we are here. Let's go set up. Okay, take these. Oops. Oh, look at, there's another cooler. Okay, well, we can just have it over here. Mommy, did you bring toys? Sure did. Alright. Put the cooler right here. Put a bag right there. Volleyball. I'm just gonna move this. No. Okay. Whew. Alright, everyone. Let's change. Okay, you guys all look so nice. Let me take these off. You don't want to get them lost in the water. Okay. I got goggles. Here, I'm not going to swim immediately. Yeah. Who wants goggles? I guess I'll wear a pair. I'll take a pair, I guess. Look, they match. Cute. Oh, let's put this in the bag. Actually, we'll just keep it out there. Okay, let's put sunscreen on, everyone. You older kids can do it yourself. Okay, now let me do it on myself, the baby, and then you two girls, come on. But I don't want it. You'll need it so you won't get burnt up. Ugh. By the way, guys, this is going to be a short role play. So yeah, I post a variety of like not shorts. I don't really post shorts. They always flop for me. All my videos flop, but yeah, I don't really care. So yeah. Come on, let's do it. Don't fight with me. Let me switch the baby and... Okay, your turn. See, it's not that bad. Alright. Let's put this in there. Okay, I'm gonna sunbathe. Actually, I'll sunbathe after I swim. Come on, guys, let's go in. Okay. I'm gonna stay out so I can be with the baby. Alright. Let's go. Come on, girls. I have to watch you. Ooh, look at it. Do you like it? Yeah. Okay. Well, older kids, I'm gonna stay in the shallow end with the girls. You guys can go as deep as you want. Okay. Let's go. Oops. It's so fun here. Yeah, I just wish I was home. Why? Because you always want to be on your phone? Maybe, but I think it's just better home. I'm not a big fan of the beach. That's fair. I am not either. Well, I'm gonna go under. Whoosh. You can't really go underwater, but just pretend. Whoa, whoa, look at all the animals. The sea life. Look at the turtle. Oh my gosh. So cute. Kids. What, Mom? Never mind. She's always does that. I know, right? Wait, guys, I found something. What is it? Just come look. Oh, it's just an island. Yeah, but it's really cool. What's under here? Guys. Oh, that's fake gold. Yeah, but it looks so cool. Look. Oh my gosh, I wonder if we could take some home. Huh. I think we're good. Yeah, who knows what this is, though. Guys, look at the pretty seashells. I love the beach so much. Well, I don't. Let's bury that up. Oh, they're so pretty, though. Come on, hold this for me. Oh, okay. Come on, let's swim back. All right. Whoosh. Hey, guys. Oh, hey. Look at the shells I found. Pretty. Mom. Yes, honey? Can I put the shells in the bag? Sure, I don't really mind. Yay. By the way, we have snacks in the cooler if you guys want some. We just got here, though. True. Hey, I'm gonna go buy ice cream. Oh, okay. Any of you want to come with? No? Okay. Hello. Hi. So, today you're serving yourself. Oh, okay. Just get chocolate and vanilla. Cherry. Oops. I'll just get this. Okay, how much is it? $2. Here you go. Boop. Thank you. Alright. Just eat this. Hey, why does Sissy have ice cream? Sissy, would you get the ice cream? Over there. Come on, I'll go with you guys. Okay. Hello. 2 strawberry ice creams, please. 1 or 2 scoops. 1 for each. Okay, oops, strawberry. Alright, do you guys want toppings? I want a gummy bear. Okay. No, I want the yellow one. Okay. Oops. Okay. What do you want? I want blueberries. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Thank you for getting them ice cream. You're welcome. I bet if I forgot anything. This is yummy. Look at this gummy bear. Mine. Daddy, she ate my gummy bear. Madeline, that's not nice. Hey, it's okay. I'll buy you another one. But that was the last yellow. It's okay. You can have a green one. That one's good. Yeah. Ooh, more seashells? Yay. Hey, guys, why don't you play with the sand? Okay, let's build a sandcastle. Okay. I like collect the sand and you build it. Okay. Like an hour later. Mommy, look what we have so far. Really cool. Collect more sand for me. I'm trying. Random kid kicks it down. You're stupid. I hated your sandcastle anyway. That's mean. Oh no, that little brat didn't. Wait, guys, pretend it was a teenager that did it. I hated your sandcastle anyway. It was so ugly. Hey, what did you just do to my little sister? What you gonna do about it? Fights. You're so stupid. hits. Ow! Body slams. Woo! Oh! Yay! Pulls. Break it up. Break it up. What am I doing? Oh my gosh! Clarabelle. Pushes into the water. Ugh. You're stupid. You should go back to where you came from. Whatever. Hey, you're cute. Wanna hook up? What? No. Stupid anyway. I hate you. Ew. Ew, get away from me. Ah! Oh my gosh. Why would you hit me? Kids, let's go home now. Hold this, please. Oh my gosh. Ew, she kissed me. Oh my gosh, that is unacceptable. Come on, kids, let's go. Put the toys down. We're leaving. And you, Missy, I'm calling your parents. No, please, they'll ground me forever. I don't care. Never come back to this beach again. You won't do anything, Grandpa. Excuse me, lifeguard. Yes. Explains. Young Missy, you're being banned from this beach ever again. But it's the only beach in town. I don't care. By the way, guys, if you hear squeaking, it's probably just my pillow. I promise I'm not farting. Please, leave. So stupid anyway. What even just happened? Let's change and go home. Okay, now that we're all changed, I did put everything everywhere. This yours, I'll take this. I can't believe that just happened. Sorry, I was just trying to defend my little sister. Well, for, starting a fight with a random kid, I'll have to ground you for a little bit, but not too long, because, yeah, you were defending her. Oops. You guys did not see that. See? Can't fit. Okay, let's go, and, we're not gonna come back here for a while. Yeah, let's go. Dude, I can't believe that happened. Clarabelle's crazy for that. That was embarrassing. There were so many people around. I'm not too mad at Clarabelle for, defending her sister, but we are not going back to that beach for, let's just say, a while. People were even recording. That's just too embarrassing. Let's just put everything away. Ugh, her seashells. Whenever I try to pronounce seashells, it always comes out as seashells. Like the first time. Okay. Towels, which we didn't even use. Put the bag back. Okay. Oops. No. Just keep that in the pool. By the way, if there's ever a weird cutout in the video, that means I burped or I'm taking a break. Oh, we didn't even take pictures. Oh my gosh. Oops. What the heck? I'll just keep the bag out here. Here are our phones. Okay. Clarabelle, I can't believe you did that. Hey, don't blame me. I was just trying to defend her. Oh, no, I'm not mad at you. Oh, okay. Okay. I would have joined in if I didn't have social anxiety. Oh, well. Clarabelle, can I get my outfit back? Hold on. I'm just going to brush my teeth. I just forgot to. Okay. Where do I put the outfit? Just in my wardrobe. Okay. Alright. Okay. That was wild. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the roleplay. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I will probably not post every day like usually. I will try to, but if I don't, just don't be mad at me. Bye.